internet without any hassle. And when you join, you can simply click install and get that $2 reward just for joining. And Honeygain is a very simple way to earn money, and you just need to open your internet, and the more devices you have connected, the greater the potential of money you'll get. So I'll be sharing more information regarding Honeygain on other videos. Quickly, you can keep on tuning in. So the other app I can show you is eBesucher. eBesucher it's actually a app that is not that known by many people. So it's a German, it's made in German. So this with eBesucher I can make money with a lot. There's a lot of ways to make money with eBesucher, and you can make money by sharing your internet or watching ads. And the most basic way of earning money and easiest is by getting paid by surfing the internet. And you just simply watch the ads that eBesucher will provide for you. Then after a certain time you get points, and you must reach a certain number of points in order to cash out. And the second platform is MQL5 Cloud Network, and you can earn with MQL5 Cloud Network by just sharing your CPU power for distributed computing and get a stable income. And in other videos I've already shown how you can access MQL5 Cloud Network and how you can make money and maximize your earnings. So can you please keep watching, subscribe, like and comment.